Are vertical blinds still in style for 2025? Absolutely. They're experiencing a significant resurgence, blending modern design with practical functionality. Today's vertical blinds have evolved with wider slats, textured fabrics, and custom colors, moving far beyond their utilitarian past. There's even a more modern version that's a complete game changer. A perfect example of this evolution is a newer version that combines a sheer fabric with vertical veins. When the veins are open, the sheer fabric beautifully diffuses light, and for privacy, you can close the veins. Companies like Norman offer these as smart drapes, and Hunter Douglas has their luminettes. Both can also be made to operate remotely through a remote or app control, integrating seamlessly into your smart home. Modern trends include affordable motorized options for smart home integration and sustainable materials like recycled polyester, reducing your carbon footprint. While alternatives like panel track blinds and Roman shades exist, vertical blinds remain a practical and stylish choice for many homeowners. With easy maintenance and a variety of materials, vertical blinds are definitely not outdated. They've simply adapted to contemporary living. So whether you stick with classic vertical blinds or explore their modern cousins like smart drapes and luminettes, the beauty is in the choice. Vertical design works. It always has. Now it just looks better doing it. I'll link some resources below if you want to explore these newer options. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe for more inspiration. As always, design fearlessly.